When the ignition switch is in the on position, the power moonroof can either tilt up or down, or slide open and closed using this switch. To open or close the sunshade, use this switch. Push and release this switch to the open position to open the moonroof to the comfort position. Push the switch again to fully open the moonroof. Push and release the switch to the closed position to fully close the moonroof. To open or close the moonroof partway, push the switch again while the moonroof is sliding open or closed. The moonroof will stop at the desired position. To operate the tilt functions on the moonroof, first make sure the moonroof is fully closed. To tilt the moonroof up, press the switch. To tilt the moonroof down, push the switch toward the closed position. If you've turned the ignition off and notice the moonroof is open, you still have a period of time in which to close it. However, if either front door is open during that period, power to the moonroof is cancelled. If the moonroof does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the moonroof. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.